Hey, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the series on knife sharpeners. This makes probably like 27, 28 different knife sharpeners that I have. Let's see here. Work Sharp Benchstone knife sharpener. Here we go. Here's the box. Now this has a unique feature that other knife sharpeners of its kind doesn't have. Let's see here. This is a WSBC HBSS. Okay, Work Sharp Benchstone. I don't know. Well, we'll see. It doesn't really matter. Here's the information on the back. Let's see here. Key features: Sharpening Guide, Tri-Brasive, Pivot-Response base, anti-slip feet, dry use abrasives. Okay, the coarse diamond is 320 grit, fine diamond 600 grit, fine ceramic is 1.25 by 6. That's the size of it. It doesn't really say what ceramics the grit is. Okay. Sharpen and maintain pocket, kitchen, fillet, and scissors. Here we go. Let's take it out of the box. Here we go with the base unit and the actual working parts. Let's put that over here. Okay, here's the base. Nice rubberized feet. Not the heaviest duty plastic, but heavy enough for this. And here is the stones, 320. Let's see, I have it marked 320. Then we have the 600. Then we have this ceramic. There we go. And these tips go from 25 degrees and 20 degrees on this side. So, we're going to use the 25 degrees for this little demo purpose only. We're going to slide this to the 320. There we go. Sits nicely into the base. There we go. Now what makes this unique is you can lock it in position right here and it will stay stationary. Or you can unlock it and it swivels. Now what that does is it follows the natural motion of your hand. You see there? See how that swivels? When you're going towards the tip? It keeps you from having to move your hand. So your diamond plate moves to the stone itself. Moves to the blade itself instead of vice versa. That's a pretty nice feature, huh? So, I have it on 320. And I have this knife right here. Let's test this thing out. It does cut, but it's not a real comfortable cut. Let's sharpen this thing up. Let me sit down here. We're going to start on the 320. Just going to hold my hand right here. Let's see here. 25 degree bevel. Lay in the blade against the bevel. Just going to come down. pretty easy to do. Very easy to do. Now I've used this one other time. I liked it the first time so much that about 3 or 4 more Work Sharp products. Okay, let's give it 5 more on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I said 5 more, but I went ahead and did 10. Now let's change it to the 600 grit. Just turn that and it will lock into place. So 600 grit. Okay, let's give this about 10 stripes. 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay, let's check out this paper here. There we go. Cutting the paper. A lot better than it was. Let's give it 10 more on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's check it out again. Ooh, much better. Much better cutting. Let's give it a few more. Let's give it 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me grab another sheet of paper over here. There we go. See that? Cutting pretty good. Still not perfect, but much better than what it was. So let's go to the ceramic. You wipe off this blade. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. There we go. Let's see what this thing will do now. Much better. Much better. That one just tore it. Let's get this thing a few more passes on here. Retest it. 10 more each. 1, 2, 3. Here. So, let's do it 10 more times. Much better. Much better. Work Sharp. What was the name of this again? Where's my box? Work Sharp Benchstone knife sharpener. It does work. I'll need to spend a little bit more time on this knife here, but y'all saw the improvement. Huge improvement. I forgot what I paid for this, $20, $25 or so, I can't remember. But I'll get a lot of use out of this thing. I believe I bought it on Amazon. One thing about these little angles right here, it'll train you where to set your bevels if you decide to do it freehand. It'll help you train it getting the right angles on it. Anyway, check it out. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.